What's up guys, RollinLikeJimmy here, and I want to thank you for clicking on this video. I haven't been uploading much recently, but that's going to change. So the reason why we are here right now is I want to give you guys a warning. This is the cringiest video I've ever made. I didn't even plan this out. My buddy literally just grabbed the camera and just started filming, so I was just like, alright, whatever. And it was funny to me, but man, it was hard to edit this cringe, man. I didn't want to do it, but I stuck through it, and I want to know what you guys think of it. If you guys want to see more of videos like this, less cringe, like actually making real food, not no dog food hamburger helper.
Look at this.
Then just give the video a like and send me a comment if you want. But wow. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Let's get right to the video. Thanks, guys. Rolling out. See this right here? Flop. Keep flopping, boys. I'm telling you, thick boys only.
Boy, if you don't get my mind, and I'm never going back. When I close my eyes, all I see is money back. Ay, fuck my life, I won't never get it back. Ay, and fuck these hoes, I won't never get attached.
So here we go with RollinLikeJimmy. About to cook some things up.
Hey, you already know. Let's check what we got here.
Oh shit.
We got that hamburger helper, you already know. We got that lean beef. You gotta stay thick, boys. Hey, you already know. Oh.
6.5 hours later.
I don't know what the fuck that is. You guys, hey, there's only one way to do it. Make sure if you guys are doing your dishes, put on those gloves. Really, really good, guys. Make sure it's clean. None of that lame stuff. See that? Before and after. You know what I mean? And family, you're all good. Alright guys, so we got the meat cooking right here. It looks really good. Come here, cameraman. Let me show you guys what I'm working with. Yep, it looks practically like some taco meat, because that's exactly what you want if you're cooking some hamburger helper. And this isn't no ordinary hamburger helper. This is the cheesy Italian shells. This is really good. So next step is, once you strain it, of course, we already strained it, we put it in. You just grab your milk. I got 1 cup here, right? Come here, cameraman. I got 1 cup here. This is just pure milk. Boom. Hit that with the dab.
You ain't never seen a nigga double dab.
Alright, enough cringe. So what you can do, just a little bit more milk. Just a little bit more, right? You can actually just see I had the perfect amount. It's easy clappers and then chatters, boys. Alright, so the next step is to add water. Same thing. Come over here, grab some fresh water. Not that tap shit. I don't play with that tap shit. Grab that fresh water right here. Spring. You already know it's clean. So we're just gonna go same routine. Come here, cameraman. Pour it in there. A little bit more. Pretty much halfway. And then once that's in there, hey, we're gonna cut that out.
Psych!
That's it. The quickness. Here we go, right? Here we go. Hey, no more milk? No problem. So, once you get all these ingredients in here, with the shells, the milk, the water, what you need is your ingredients. Just pour that in there. Come here, come check this out. Pour that in there. Looking real nice, right? Looking real premature, if you ask me. So grab your spatula and just stir, 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 stir like your heart desires. It's very simple, very easy, guys. I'm telling you right now, just go like this, back and forth. Place it out. Over here to the left, up and down. It's easy, guys. I'm telling you, it's easy to make this good meal.
What are you waiting for? Do it!
Up and down. Just keep picking at it. Pick at it like you do in Red Dead Redemption. Or more like Guns. Remember Guns? Hey, that might be a little before your time. But, yep, keep picking at it like you're picking for gold. And I ain't talking about boogers, okay?
Boy, if you don't get...
Come check this out, cameraman. You want to have this coloration, and then just up that ante. Yeah, I am using an electric stove.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
Cause out here, times are tough. Times are very tough, my friends. So we're just gonna have it like this, and then come here, cameraman. Let's check this out. Just have it sitting steady, just like that. That's exactly what I need. Put anything poking out, push it back down. You already know what's the business. And we're just gonna give this about, let's say, 20 minutes, and then we'll be back to see what's going on.
I'm disappointed is beyond comprehension.
We're live.
What's up, guys? RollinLikeJimmy here, and we've been cooking some hamburger helper. If you don't know what it is, go ahead and just check out some hamburger helper. And subscribe to the channel if you want. You don't have to, but you know, come over here. I want to show you guys some. When we get to this point here, take a look at this, cameraman. When it's boiling like that, all you gotta do is just stir, 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 stir. Once it's boiling, just stir, stir, stir. Keep it nice. Don't have that heat too much because it won't work, man. I'm telling you. If you overcook, you're overcooking your meat. And come here, right? Get over here.
Get over here!
Let me tell you something. Many people, they always just have it on the high blast, like, let's just cook it. Let's cook it so fast, man. Like, I am drunk as hell. I need some food. Man, if you take the second out of your day and just go like take a nap or something, you come back to this and just stir, stir, stir like this. Come here. Stir, stir, stir. It's easy clappers. So make sure you guys keep that consistent stir. Left, right, up, down, down, up. You understand what I'm saying? So I'll see you guys next time when this is almost done. Right here, if you guys want to see this, see how it's all bubbling? All you gotta do is just keep stirring. And this is practically done at this point, but it is not done.
Incredible.
You want all this liquid right here in the corner and over here to be practically evaporated.
What?
But it's not evaporated. You know what I mean? It's being soaked inside of the meat. And hey, come here. Let me show you what I'm talking about. See, like every time I go like this, it's just soaking it up.
Man, that nigga's tripping.
It looks really, really good. It smells so good. I'm telling you guys right now, hamburger helper will help her. You know what I'm saying? Like that's the honest truth. So I'll be right back.
No! God, please, no!
Now you guys see this right here? It's bubbling. It's looking real good. Watch this. Once I stir it, it's gonna thicken up. I mean, thick. Check this out. Boom. Baby, you see that? No more liquid. Right when you go like, ooh. Let's go ahead. Let's just pick it up. Flop it. You guys already know. Pick it up. Let it breathe. Flop it. let's get it. Right? So you can just push, like if there's any liquid on the sides or anything, just push it right over. It's kind of like flipping a pancake, you can say. Flip, flop, bada bing. Just go ahead and just even it out. This is, hey, it smells so good, guys. I'm telling you right now. Hamburger help her? No, hamburger help her. You know what I'm saying? Let me go ahead and just watch this. See all this extra liquid? Flop. It's easy clappers, boys. It's easy clappers. This is so good. And guess what? Every time I lift up, it thickens even more.
Incredible.
Hey, check it out, guys. Check it out. See that? See how thick? See all this right here? Flop. See this over here? Flop.
Nice.
See this right here? Flop. Keep flopping, boys. I'm telling you, thick boys only. Right over here? Flop. It's already done, boys. What do you mean? It's already done. You guys, I'm telling you, look at this. Look at this.
Right.
There's still a lot of room to work. So with that consideration, you know, I'll go down.
You still do it.
Park that 700.
Park that. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
Right here. Look at this. This is insane, guys. Literally, you got like, oh, flop. Yeah, I told you. Hey, I already told you to flop. You guys won't flop though. Hey, subscribe to the channel.
Perfect.
More cooking videos, more all this flopness. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Lift it up. Lift it up. See that consistency? See that boys? See that consistency? Look at that.
Look at this.
Dude, looks good as hell, man. Are you kidding me right now?
Are you
like
kidding me right now?
You must be kidding me.
Are you kidding me?
This is it. This is right here, right now.
Later.
My man thought he was gonna come up here and like build battle me or something. Like, are you kidding me? Huh? Are you freaking kidding me?
My God, if you are like drunk out of your mind and you're watching this video, this is exactly the ingredients you need to take. It all starts with water, milk, and the ingredients that, hey, let me show you. Hamburger helper, buddy. The only way to do it is cheesy Italian shells. I'm telling you, I can't explain enough, guys. Cheesy Italian shells, guys.
Shut the fuck up!
Look, it's very simple. 1 pound of lean ground beef.
Yo, lean.
And then all you need is 3/4 cups of water and milk. It's easy clappers. You guys kidding me? You're saying, oh, I'm so hungry.
Oh God! I don't think I've ever laughed this hard on air. Oh my God! I mean, it's so ridiculous.
So what you have to do is just, once everything's filled up, just put it in one of these containers, guys. I'm gonna let you know. Where's the containers? These containers, they Amazon, you can get a really good deal. I'm pretty sure you guys already have one. If you don't, I don't know why the heck you don't. But yeah, you can just place it on. Once you get that in the boom, place this on here like so.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
So the problem with these containers, they're so flimsy, right? The reason why I couldn't actually click is because they actually flex. They flex. See that?
Incredible.
Yeah, it was big, and now it's tiny. So all you gotta do is just see that? Bada bing pow. This right here, it was just this. It was literally just this, guys. And yeah, this over here, some hamburger helper.
Fuck you, paid 100. You don't even taste good.
I gotta remind you guys, this hamburger helper right here is willing to feed like, I would say, 3 people. If that one person is not so hungry.
Just look on the box.
What about them thick boys though?
Hey, give me that. What are you doing? Hey, cameraman? The heck? Yeah, I'm the star of this light, man.
I'm a star!
Yeah, subscribe to Rolling Like Jimmy. Follow me on Instagram, Twitch, what else? Sorry about the language, I just gotta say.
How's it going?
Patrick, banana peel, don't!
What did you say?
But you guys, it's very easy. See this right here?
Yes.
Brown beef, 10-inch skillet, easy clappers. Stir, yep, easy clappers. Simmer, who needs that when you're starving? Hey, I'm telling you right now, you don't need a simmer. It might burn your mouth a little bit, a little. A little bit of the heat, but you wanna know what? Hamburger helper will help her, guys. I'm telling you right now. Subscribe on Like Jimmy, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Sure, Terrell Mitchell. Hey, call it out. Roll Like Jimmy. You guys know what it is. Next time we are going to be cooking hamburgers, hot dogs, whatever it is.
No! God, please, no!
Much love, guys. Rolling out. I told you guys, I'm sorry. Hey, I told you it was super cringy, and if you made it all the way through the video, I salute you, man. I don't know how you did it, because it's hard for me to even it was hard for me just to even edit that cringe, man, that terrible content. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want me to make some more funny videos of me, like cooking with Jimmy or something, and make some real food like I said earlier. So subscribe to the channel if you're new. Shoot me a like, and yeah. Sorry about the cringe, guys. I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. All right. See you guys next on the next stream or video I place out. And I'm also gonna be doing like actual real videos, like going out skateboarding, going out shopping, like some IRL stuff. That's what I've been thinking about, but I'm gonna do it because I want to be able to like expand my channel just with different varieties of content, not just gaming. But I'm still gonna game for sure. And so I'm just gonna end it right there, you guys. Thank you for viewing, and see you guys on the next one.